This Wi-Fi ready 30-inch electric double oven by GE has a total capacity of 10 cubic feet and is part of the Profile series. It has a stainless front with the signature GE logo, 2 large black glass viewing windows, and 2 color-matched stainless handles. The control panel is glass touch with a 7-inch full-color LCD touchscreen with several baking options, including precision cooking, a feature that will allow you to simply select the type of food you want to prepare, and the oven will determine the ideal setting for that selection. Inside each 5 cubic foot oven is a black porcelain interior with 2 self-cleaning flat racks, 1 self-cleaning gliding rack, 6 rack positions, a temperature probe outlet, 2 halogen oven lights, and a convection fan. To learn more about wall ovens, check out our buying guide at abt.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.